Hi, I'm Brianna with Bonanza, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly navigate the Bonanza site using the drop-down menus. As a seller, you probably spend a lot of time on your seller dashboard, where you can access your orders, listings, booth settings, and more. We also wanted to bring your attention to this Quick Links menu. By hovering your mouse over the selling link, you'll find this awesome drop-down menu where you can quickly access some of your most important data. First, you'll find your booth settings, where you can move your booth to vacation mode, create discounts and coupons, and more. Then, you'll find your booth statistics, where you can keep an eye on your view counts and most popular items. Next is your recent sales folder, where you'll find information regarding new sales, offers, and items waiting to be shipped. And in the last section, you'll find your billing statement. This will show you a breakdown of all the fees and charges associated with your account and a yearly sales report. In the next section, you'll find some other tools to help make your selling life easier. Viewing your booth will give you some insight into how it appears to buyers. On the Add or Edit Item page, you'll see all your listings that are posted for sale, ready to be posted for sale, marked as incomplete or in reserve status. And the Batch Editor is an awesome tool that helps you apply changes to your listings in bulk. In the Advertise Items page, you can opt into advertising, adjust the level of advertising, and more. Last but not least, you'll find all the importers to help you bring your listings over to Bonanza from other platforms. Next, let's hop over to the Account tab. If you hover over that link, you'll see another drop-down menu. Here, you can view and customize your profile page and photo. You can view and respond to messages. And in your account settings, you can update your contact information and notification settings. In the lower section, you'll find your purchase history, where you can easily contact the seller you purchased from. You can add or edit the items on your wish list. And if you love curating, you can create hand-picked lists. We also encourage you to take some time to check out our Help Center, where you can find help pages for specific issues you may run into. You can create a support ticket by selecting the Contact Support link, and under Seller Success Tips, you'll find exactly that. We also hope you'll check out the regularly updated blog for updates regarding the site and information we think you'll find helpful. Next, a general overview of Bonanza, and we also encourage you to interact with other members of the Bonanza community on this forum. They are a wealth of information. And we've created a place for you to view and submit ideas in our effort to continuously improve the site. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. For more information, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.